Hey everyone, I'm Alex, and I just signed up for a cooking school, which is really exciting, but there's one problem. The cooking class is in English. I'm afraid I won't understand the phrases in the kitchen. That's why I decided to practice at home today. I'll cook 3 meals today, just like in cooking school: breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and also a little afternoon tea. That will prepare me well, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Good morning. I'm ready for my cooking training today, though I'm a little nervous. Don't worry, I'll take it step by step. I'm making breakfast first. Let's start simple. First, wash the vegetables. Wash the vegetables means clean them with water. I need to rinse them until they're clean, like this under running water. Yes, keep going. Wash the vegetables well. Okay, these look clean now. Next, boil the eggs. Boil the eggs. Cook them in hot water. I'll put them into the boiling water carefully. About 10 minutes. Boil the eggs for 10 minutes. Got it. While the eggs are cooking, let's toast the bread. Toast the bread. So, put the slices in the toaster and wait until they're golden brown. I love that smell when bread is toasting. It makes the kitchen feel warm. Now pour the milk. Pour the milk into these glasses. I need to hold the glass steady and pour slowly. Pour the milk slowly. I don't want to spill it. Good job. No milk on the table. Okay, the eggs are ready. Take them out carefully. They're hot. Yes, be careful. Put them on the plate. Breakfast is ready, and I've learned 4 new kitchen phrases already. Wash the vegetables, boil the eggs, toast the bread, pour the milk easy. All right, ready for lunch. I'm making fried chicken and vegetable soup. Sounds delicious. First, chop the onions. Chop the onions. That means cut them into small pieces, like this. Careful with my fingers. Wow, these onions make my eyes water. That's normal. Just keep chopping slowly. Chop the onions. Done. Now fry the chicken. Fry the chicken in this pan with some oil. Put the chicken in and cook until it's golden brown. The oil is sizzling. That's the sound of frying. Keep stirring so it cooks evenly. Next, add some salt. Add some salt. How much? Just a little. Sprinkle it in gently, like this. Perfect. The salt makes the flavor better. Now stir the soup. Stir the soup with this big spoon. Move it around slowly so everything mixes well. It smells really good. That's the magic of cooking. So, I learned chop the onions, fry the chicken, add some salt, stir the soup, and I made a great lunch. Now, all right, the food is ready. What's next? I need to set the table. Set the table. That means put plates and forks and also glasses and spoons. I'll start with the plates. Looks good. Now serve the rice. Serve the rice. Put rice on each plate, 1 scoop for each person. Should I make the portions the same?
Yes, that's perfect.
Here you go. All even. I need the salt. Let me get it. Oh, wait. This is sugar. Wrong one. This is the salt. Oops, my mistake. It happens. All right. Everything is on the table. It looks amazing. Now enjoy your meal. I like this part the best, eating, but cooking makes it special. I feel proud. Today I learned set the table. Serve the rice past me, the salt. Enjoy your meal, and I use them all perfectly. Am I ready for something sweet? Always. I'm making a simple cake for afternoon tea. Wow, my first cake. First, mix the batter. Mix the batter. That means stir everything together. Flour, eggs, and sugar. Stir until it's smooth. Okay, I'll try. Careful, not too fast. Oops, some batter just splashed out. That happens. Keep mixing slowly. Mix the batter. It looks good now. Next, preheat the oven. Preheat the oven. Turn it on before we cook. Set it to 180 degrees. Done. The oven is warming up. Perfect. That's preheating. Now, bake the cake. Bake the cake. Put this pan in the oven and let it cook for 30 minutes. Okay, it's inside. Close the door and wait. It smells amazing already. That's the best part of baking. All right, take it out carefully. Wow, it looks golden. Yes, but let it cool. Let it cool. So, I'll wait before eating, or it will be too hot and soft. That's hard. I really want to taste it now. Just a few minutes. So I learned. Mix the batter, preheat the oven, bake the cake, let it cool, and I baked my first cake. I'm proud and hungry. Let's eat soon. It's dinner time. Wow, a whole day of cooking. I'm making grilled fish and a special sauce. Sounds delicious. First, wash the fish. Wash the fish like vegetables in the morning. Rinse it under cold water. Okay, it feels slippery. That's normal. Just hold it tight. Now chop some garlic. Chop small pieces, right? Yes, same as the onions at lunch. My chopping is getting faster. I'm improving a lot. Next, grill the fish. Grill the fish on this pan on high heat. Listen to the sound. It's sizzling. That's perfect. Turn it once so it cooks evenly. The smell is amazing. While the fish cooks, stir the sauce. Stir like the soup at lunch. Move the spoon slowly. Okay, I'm stirring now. Taste the sauce. Taste with this spoon. Just a little. It needs more salt. Good. Add some salt. Just like before. The fish is ready. Golden and crispy. Yes, that's grilled fish. So I learned. Grill the fish, taste the sauce, and I reviewed wash, chop, stir, and add some salt. Perfect summary. And now, let's eat. Yes, I deserve it. Dinner was amazing. I loved the grilled fish. Now I need to clean up. Oh no, the hard part. First, wash the dishes. Wash the dishes. Clean them with water and soap. Like this. Scrub until they shine. Okay, I'll try. Careful. Don't break the glass. Don't worry. I'm gentle. Nice. I'm doing great. Wash the dishes. Done. Next, wipe the counter. Wipe the counter with this cloth. Move it back and forth. Easy. It looks clean now. Perfect. The kitchen is shining again. And don't forget to turn off the stove. Turn off the stove. Oh, it's still on. Good catch. Safety first. Okay, it's off now. Great work today, Alex. Yes, I cooked 3 meals and snacks too. Let me see if I remember everything. Breakfast, wash the vegetables, boil the eggs. Toast the bread pour. The milk lunch, chop the onions. Fry the chicken, add some salt, stir the soup. Lunchtime phrases. Set the table, serve the rice, pass me the salt, enjoy your meal. Afternoon tea. Mix the batter, preheat the oven, bake the cake. Let it cool, dinner. Grill the fish, taste the sauce, cleaning. Wash the dishes. Wipe the counter. Turn off the stove, excellent. I remembered everything. I worked hard today. I think I'm ready for my cooking class and ready to cook at home. Yes, and in English. That's the best part. So, which phrase was most useful for you? Tell us in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. By the way, maybe I should taste that cake again. I should let it cool first, but too late. It's delicious. See you next time. This is Alex signing off.